Hey guys, it's Joy, your travel expert here at Disney's Contemporary, and I am in a main tower lake view room. I'm in the bathroom because I'm by myself, but let's start at the front door. All right, so at the front door, you've got the closet, some storage, hanging, and there's the second closet with some more storage and the safe. And then you have the bathroom with the double vanity. It is only a shower, so if you have littles, this might not work for you. And the toilet has its own little room. And then this does sleep 5 with the 2 queens. And then this fold-out twin. This is an Incredibles theme room, so if you like those movies, you'll love this room. There's so much little detail. And then outside you have the incredible lake view. If you are doing a theme park view, you would be on the other side of the resort and you would look out and see the theme park.